In the shadows of Tokyo, two species coexist in a desperate, deadly cycle. One feeds on flesh, the other hunts the first. This is the world of Tokyo Ghoul, where the true conflict isn't just moral, but profoundly biological. The core of this deadly existence is the RC cell, the strange, vital component that dictates the life of a ghoul, manifests their terrifying predatory organ Kagune, fuels the weapons used against them. But what are RC cells? How does a ghoul's biology work? And what is the secretive, ancient history behind the organization dedicated to their extermination? The RC cell. The mark of a ghoul, the fundamental difference between a human and a ghoul, is the RC cell, red child cell. While humans possess them, ghouls possess them in numbers 10 times greater. These cells are unique in that they flow through the ghoul's body and can harden instantly, forming their biological weapons. This high concentration of RC cells explains several key biological traits. Dietary restriction. Ghouls can only digest human flesh, as other food substances contain insufficient RC cells and are toxic to them. Super strength and regeneration. RC cells grant ghouls incredible durability, strength, and the ability to heal from grievous wounds almost instantly. The Kagune. The RC cells are housed in a specialized organ called the Koukaku. When activated, the Koukaku releases massive amounts of RC cells, which puncture the skin and form the Kagune, the ghoul's ultimate predatory weapon. The predatory organ, the 4 Kagune types, a ghoul's Kagune, is their distinct, flexible combat appendage. There are 4 primary types, determined by the location of the Koukaku on the ghoul's body, and each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Ukaku feathered wing, located on the shoulder, upper back, specialized for high-speed long-range, crystallized projectiles, strong against Bikaku, weak against Koukaku shell, carapace, located beneath the shoulder blade. Slow and heavy, but incredibly durable and defensive. Strong against Ukaku, weak against Rinkaku scale tails, located on the lower back, waist. Excellent for raw destructive power, due to its superior regenerative ability and bizarre appearance. Strong against Koukaku, weak against Bikaku tail, located on a tailbone, the most balanced, tail-like form, good for medium-range defense and offense. Strong against Rinkaku, weak against Ukaku. Additionally, ghouls born from 2 different types of Kagune parents can develop a chimera Kagune, granting them a mix of 2 types, which is extremely rare. They, hunters. The Ccg's true origins. The Commission of Counter-Ghoul Ccg is the federal agency dedicated to researching and eliminating ghouls. Their history is not recent. It traces back to ancient times and is deeply intertwined with the ghouls themselves. The Ccg's primary weapon is the Quinque, a powerful tool created by surgically extracting a Koukaku from a deceased ghoul and crafting it into a usable weapon. Thus, the Ccg fights fire with fire, using ghoul biology against them. However, the Ccg is secretly manipulated by a cryptic organization known only as a secretive entity with unknown global influence. V's existence suggests that the conflict between ghouls and humans is not a simple monster hunt, but a controlled, engineered system designed to maintain a specific balance or to achieve a larger, hidden goal. The fate of the species, the existence of ghouls, and the Ccg creates a terrifyingly sustainable cycle of violence. Ghouls feed on humans to survive, and the Ccg uses ghouls' remains to create weapons to kill more ghouls. The possibility of a hybrid existence, the one-eyed Ghoul'S, the disruptive factor. Individuals like Quinque, born with the biology of both species, hold the potential to break the cycle or accelerate its destruction. The lore of Tokyo Ghoul is a constant exploration of identity, biology, and the tragic consequences of a world where 2 sides are forced into eternal predation. What is the biggest weakness in the Ccg's strategy? And how do you think V truly controls the balance of the world? Share your thoughts on the Ghoul's biology in the comments below. And for more deep dives into the dark, secret lore of anime, be sure to like and subscribe to Anime Lore Nexus.